Hi guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus. Today we're going to be looking at the IN-LITE Sample Box XL. It's a really cool piece of kit, really useful for demoing lighting to your client. When you open it up, you've got a useful IN-LITE system overview there. So it just shows you your hub, cable, CC2 connectors, which we'll look at in a bit, going into splitters and off to fittings. So let's get it all unpacked and see what's inside the box. So once you've opened the box, the first thing to look at is the Smart Hub 150. Simply plug that one into any 3-pin socket. You've then got, within the bottom there, 3 separate switch zones. You can pop your cable straight into one of those. So the cable, just pop the ends off of those into the little lever connectors and you've got that live in a matter of seconds. One thing with the IN-LITE system that is quite different to any other lighting system that we supply is it's recommended to actually connect all of your lights when the power is on. So you get that live, connect your cable to it and then connect your lights. Reason being is every time you then connect one of your light fittings, it comes on and you know your connection is good. Looking at the array of fittings that you've got in there, this one here, you've got one of the smart scope tones, so that's one of the RGBW fittings. Got a couple of little in-ground lights there and then one of the bigger in-ground Nero fittings. Got a really cool sort of neon style LED. You have got a couple from the ACE concept. So you've got an ACE up-down wall light and one of the ACE path lights. And you have got my personal favorite, one of the mini sways. So that's actually a flexible fitting that you pop within planting. And when the wind hits the planting, the fitting goes with it. Like I say, a really, really useful piece of kit for demoing to a client. Use it time and time again. You can set it up in a matter of minutes.